Although carrots are the healthiest when you eat them raw, they might not be the tastiest veggies out there on their own. Carrots are one of the healthiest vegetables among the rainbow of veggies available to us. The reddish-orange vegetables are fortified with beta-carotene, which is incredibly essential for healthy eyesight. Besides this, carrots are also low in calories and are one of the most popular negative-calorie vegetables. This means that carrots may help in weight loss, on account of the fact that it may require more calories to digest them than what the vegetable itself supplies. Carrots are root vegetables that can play a role in both main and side dishes. Carrots can be fashioned into savory and sweet dishes as well, and although they're probably the healthiest when you eat them raw, they might not be the tastiest veggies out there on their own. Although carrots can be added to almost anything, they don't really have much going for them, taste-wise. This is probably an advantage too. The neutrality of taste is exactly what increases carrots' potential as a versatile vegetable. They're sweet when they're in season and endlessly nutritious. For someone who is on a low-carb diet for quick weight loss, carrot can be especially beneficial. But how does one eat them, besides as part of the regular boring raw salads? Low-carb diet. We suggest some yummy ways to add carrots to your diet. 1. Carrots in soups. Grate some carrots and add them to your clear soups and/or vegetable stocks. Carrots contain good amounts of roughage, which is important for digestive health. So soups may be a good idea, instead of juicing carrots. 2. Carrots in fried rice. You can increase the fiber content of your bowl of Chinese fried rice by adding vegetables like corn, carrots, beans, etc. to it. Carrots have high water content and may fill you up faster. 3. Carrots in dips. Shredded carrots can also be added to healthy dips and accompaniments. This includes recipes like carrot raita, carrot hummus, etc. You can also roast carrots, and once they're soft, simply turn them into a dip by adding spices and some cream to it. 4. Carrot pickles. Simply pickle your carrots to increase their nutrition. Pickling or fermenting vegetables makes the beneficial compounds in them more readily available for absorption by the body. You may add pickled carrots to your salads or simply eat them for a kick of healthy gut-friendly bacteria. 5. Carrots in baked goods. You can add shredded carrots to the batter of your muffins, cakes, loaves of bread, etc. for a delightful dessert. Carrot cakes are already quite popular. Carrots go well in baked goodies, due to their inherently sweet taste. Got any more interesting ways of adding carrots to your diet? Let us know in the comments section below.